Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your airline business. While running an airline business, you get a lot of inquiry about flight details, schedule and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When a user sends a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will show you how to create a chatbot for your airline business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to the inquiries, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have already created a chatbot for airline inquiry using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you how it works. For that, I will open WhatsApp web and there I will type a key message. For example, hey, as soon as I delivered the key message, I got a response reply which welcomed me in Pabbly Airlines, and with that they have given me 3 action buttons, out of which I can select any of them according to my requirement. As I want to get the boarding alert, I will select the get boarding alert button. As soon as I selected the button, I got 3 more action buttons in which they wanted to know my PNR number. After that, they wanted me to enter my PNR number. I will enter my PNR number. After entering my PNR number, I got a message in which they tell me that they are going to send me notification before 30 minutes. With that, I got an action button also, which will directly connect me to the agent. As soon as I clicked the action button, they said they will connect me to the support team within 2 minutes. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds, that too without any manual effort, and made my customer experience so much better. If you want to know how to build the chatbot for your own business, let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab. Here, you need to search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you search this, you will be on the landing page of pabbly.com. Here, on the landing page of pabbly.com, you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I already have my account with Pabbly, I will click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, we will be landed on all Pabbly app page. Here you can see there are 7 applications given, but as I am working with Chatflow, I will click on Access Now. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here on the dashboard page, you can manage all your WhatsApp number from one place without opening any WhatsApp app. On the dashboard page, you can add your new WhatsApp number by clicking on Add WhatsApp Number button that is given on the top right corner. There we have 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. On the Manual Token Connect, you have to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. And in the WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify your Meta Business Management account and link your WhatsApp directly. And not only that, there are many more features that are present on the dashboard page. Let us see each feature one by one. Below the dashboard page, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer and you don't need to open WhatsApp separately. After inbox option, there is a contact feature where you can create all new contacts and separate them according to your requirement. After that, there is a team queue section where you can assign different tasks and chat to different team members and also review their performances. After team queue section, there is a template section where you can customize your template, and by customizing your template, you can give personal touch to your chat. After that, we have broadcast section where you can send bulk message to your customer using customized template. After that, we have flow section. Flow is a powerful tool to create chatbot. After that, we have AI Assistant, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created separate video for that. Link will be in the description box. As we got overview of each features, let's get started by building the flow. For that, you need to click on the flow option and after that, click on the Add Flow button given on the top right corner. As soon as you click that, you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see a window is open named by Flow Start. Inside this, there are 3 features. Let's see each feature one by one. First is Choose Template, where you can choose your created template for giving a personalized touch to your chat. After that, we have Regex. Regex is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find matches or filter specific text. Keywords is a trigger message that your customer will put while initiating the conversation. As we got to know about all 3 features, let's get started by building this flow. For that, we need to give a meaningful name to our bot. As we are making this bot for Airline company, I will name our bot accordingly as Airline Inquiry Bot. After giving a meaningful name, we will start building this bot. For that, I will enter a reject, which will understand what my customer is trying to say. So, I want as soon as my customer initiate a message, a welcome message should be delivered to them. For that, I will go to the message section and drag and drop this text button over here. After dragging it, I will connect my flow start with my message option. That means as soon as my customer initiate a message, a welcome message should be delivered to them. For that, I will enter a text as check flight status. After that, I will add one more action button. For that, I will enter get boarding alert. I will add one more action button in which I will enter talk to an agent. As you can see, I have entered 3 action buttons, and with that, I want to give a separate message for each action button. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button. As this message is for flight status, I will provide them a link to my customer so that they can check their flight status. And with that, I will add an action button which says talk to an agent. This is because if some customer still have a query, they can talk to our agent for better experience. After that, I will put one more action button. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message so that if some customer want to see the welcome message again, they can click on the menu button. For the next action button, which is get boarding alert, I need to ask few questions to my customer. I will go to action section and drag and drop this ask question button over here. After that, I will connect my boarding alert with this question. That means as soon as someone click on this button, a question will be asked to them. Here, I will enter a message. For example, please enter your booking reference number, which is PNR. After that, I will select my contact custom field. You must be wondering how to add this contact custom field. For that, you just need to save your file. As you can see, I got a message, flow updated successfully. After that, go to settings section. Here you can see a contact custom field is given. Click on that. After coming to this page, you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have already added. I will resume back to my flow. After coming back to my flow, I can add my contact custom field and my format as any. Now, after getting their information, I want to send them a message. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button. Here, I will enter a message that they will be updated before 30 minutes. After completing this section, I will go back to our last action button. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select text button over here. As soon as someone click on talk to an agent, I wanted to send them a message which is that our support team will contact them within 2 minutes. I also going to connect this button with our recent message. As you can see, I have filled all the required data that would be needed for my chatbot to work in real time. After successfully completing this chatbot, I will save my chat flow. As you can see, I got a message, flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to work in the real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free chatbot for yourself. Thank you so much.